Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful tools in the Delaverse playground, the WebCrawler node. Imagine effortlessly pulling valuable data from websites, news sites, or online stores to fuel your AI workflows without writing a single line of code. Whether you're tracking competitors, gathering research, or automating content creation, this feature saves you tons of time and turns raw web info into actionable insights. What's the web crawler node all about? This handy node lets you automate data extraction from the web right inside your workflows. It's super useful because it handles everything from simple page scraping to complex API calls, making it easier to collect structured data for monitoring, research, or generating reports. No more manual copy-pasting. Let Delaverse do the heavy lifting so you can focus on what matters. Building smarter automations and getting ahead in your projects. How to get started. Accessing the web crawler. Getting to the web crawler is a breeze. Head over to your Delaverse Playground dashboard. On the right side, you'll see the Tools menu. Think of it as your workshop full of gadgets. Just drag the web crawler node onto your workflow canvas. Click on it to open the settings and give it a fun name like My News Tracker to keep things organized. From there, you're ready to configure and run your first extraction. Breaking down the key features. The web crawler shines with three main ways to grab data, each perfect for different situations. First up, AI-powered extraction. Tell the AI in simple English what you want, like get the article titles and summaries from this news page, and it figures out the rest. Great for sites that change often or have tricky layouts. Next, CSS XPath extraction. Use ready-made patterns or point to specific parts of the page, like picking out product prices or links. It's fast and reliable for steady websites where you want precise control. Lastly, API extraction. Skip the web page visuals and go straight to the site's backend data source. Enter the API URL, add any needed keys or filters, and pull clean JSON data effortlessly. Ideal when sites offer direct access to info. Plus, it handles extras like loading dynamic content, avoiding blocks with proxies, and automatically flipping through multiple pages so you don't miss a thing. Tracking your extractions. As your crawler runs, keep an eye on progress in the interface. See how many pages it's processed or how much data it's collected. Once done, check the bucket menu, top left corner, for results in easy-to-read JSON or CSV files. You can download them or connect to other nodes to analyze trends, like spotting price changes over time. It's all about seeing the big picture without the hassle. Unlocking the benefits. Save time and boost insights. The real win? You save hours of manual work while getting high-quality data to supercharge your workflows. Use it for competitive research to track prices and stay ahead, or aggregate news for instant summaries. Every successful extraction means more efficient automations, deeper insights, and even potential cost savings on tools. Plus, it's scalable for big projects without extra effort. Pro tips for power users. Want to level up? Start small. Test with just 1 or 2 pages first to tweak your settings. Mix methods, like AI for discovery and API for details, for the best results. Use the wizard mode in AI extraction for 2-step processes, like first finding links, then pulling full content. Enable auto-pagination with limits to crawl safely without overwhelming sites. And always connect your outputs to an assistant node for AI cleanup or a vector store for smart searching. Turn raw data into gold. Why you'll love it. Empower your workflows. In the end, the web crawler node empowers you to harness the web's vast data effortlessly, bringing clarity and speed to your Delaverse adventures. Track markets, curate content, or automate leads, all with transparent, reliable results. Give it a spin today and watch your workflows transform into powerful, data-driven machines. What's your first extraction idea? Share in the comments.